Do you want to nurse discreetly in public, but you don't really want to use a cover? The two-shirt method is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the two-shirt method for breastfeeding. My name is Katie Clark, and I am a certified lactation educator, a certified breastfeeding specialist, and an IBCLC student. I run the Breastfeeding Mama, where I share tons of free content for moms all around the world. I also have some great online courses for those that want to dive a little deeper. Nursing in public for moms can be difficult for various reasons. Some people feel like it feels awkward. Some people don't like people looking at them. Some feel just uncomfortable. Some just have trouble nursing in general. Breastfeeding in public should be normalized, and it's something that we should definitely see more of. But I totally understand having those concerns about how to breastfeed your baby in public. There are a lot of people who don't really want to use a cover for various reasons. They just don't want to cover their baby up. Their baby doesn't like it. There's lots of reasons, and that's totally fine. But they also don't feel comfortable just whipping out their breast and for the whole world to see, which is also understandable. So the two-shirt method is helpful for breastfeeding in public when you don't want to wear a cover, but you do want to be a little more discreet. It's really easy to do. You just need a top shirt and then an undershirt like this. This one is from Larkin. They create amazing breastfeeding tank tops as well as pumping bras, and they're just super, super comfortable and flattering. And they I feel like you can't tell that you're wearing them underneath your top layer, and they're pretty thin and breathable. But you can use whatever undershirt that you want. I do just recommend having one that easily pulls down from the top. So like this, it pulls down easily from the top. So in order to do the two-shirt method, I'll show you kind of an example. I just pull up my shirt, I have the baby in position, I pull down my tank top and my nursing bra, and voila, you pump, or you can nurse this way. Nobody sees anything, you can feel nice and comfortable, and it's really easy to get them latched, and babies feel a lot more comfortable doing that. So this is something that if you haven't done it before, I would definitely recommend trying it out at home before you go out in public, just so you can feel comfortable with how your baby's eating and how you're doing this position or how you're doing this technique. However, as you can see, it's very simple and it can help you feel a little more comfortable nursing in public. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know in the comments. You can also check out our free pumping starter kit, which is a printable kit with lots of great pumping resources, which is also in the description for this video. I also have a coupon code for Larkin. They have these great tank tops and nursing bras and pumping bras, and that is also in the description as well. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to press like and subscribe, and I will have more in the future.